Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 900 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Hut 8 and Backed Holdings have announced results for Q3, and Netcoins has announced the relaunch of Netcoins Pay. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Hut 8 Mining Corp, which trades on the Nasdaq as HUT, has announced its financial results for the quarter ended September 30th this year. The company reported a quarterly revenue of $31.7 million, down from $50.3 million back in Q3 last year. It announced the mining of 982 bitcoins and the installation of an aggregate of 2,205 new MicroBT M30S, M30S Plus, M30S Plus Plus, and M31S Plus miners at its three mining sites during the quarter. Shane Downey, the CFO of Hut 8, explained, quote, "Our conservative approach to managing our balance sheet continues to be paramount for us at Hut 8. Notably, we improved our mining capacity by 10% while reducing the average cost to mine each Bitcoin by 29% when compared to the second quarter of 2022. We remain steadfastly committed to effectively managing capital in today's challenging environment and believe we are well positioned to deliver shareholder value in 2023 and beyond." End quote. Backed Holdings, Inc., which trades on the NYSE under the ticker BKKT, has reported its Q3 financial and operational results. Highlights from the quarter include a net revenue of $12.9 million, representing an increase of 41% year over year, and the announcement of an agreement to acquire Apex Crypto from Apex Fintech Solutions. Gavin Michael, Backed's president and CEO, said, quote, "Our focus on execution is paying off, and we are proud to have initial activations with our crypto capabilities. We are working closely with our partners to bring even more of them to market in the near term. We are thrilled about the signing of the acquisition of Apex Crypto, which we expect will accelerate our growth plans post-close, as it will significantly expand our client verticals and cryptocurrency product offering. We believe that Apex Crypto will be highly complementary with our platform, and the acquisition will ultimately help us deliver long-term sustainable value for our partners, customers, and shareholders." End quote. Lastly for today, Netcoins, the online cryptocurrency brokerage subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE as BIGG, has announced the relaunch of Netcoins Pay in partnership with Coho Financial Inc. and MasterCard. MasterCard, by the way, trades on the NYSE as MA. Now, Netcoins Pay is a card, either physical or virtual, which draws funds from the user's Netcoins account and earns them rewards in Bitcoin with every purchase. Fraser Matthews, the president of Netcoins, said, quote, "Since the launch of Netcoins Pay, we have focused on the evolution of the product so that we can better serve our users. Coho Financial Inc. has moved to MasterCard, which has allowed us to work closely with MasterCard's global crypto team to plan a roadmap of enhancements that are specific to our product. We look forward to bringing MasterCard's crypto card services to our Canadian users and launching innovative new features in 2023. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.